A report commissioned by the state government has recommended that unflued gas heaters in schools not be replaced. The report says replacing the heaters would cost hundreds of millions of dollars for very little benefit. Critics are outraged. They point out that the study admits the heaters cause health problems. Here's state political reporter Bridget Glanville.
Parents were told these heaters would be a thing of the past, but a new report says there is no need for new ones.
We had a Woolcock study that said these heaters need to be replaced. Now what we've had is another study which has moved the goalpost around, and now they say they don't need to be replaced.
A report commissioned by the government measured the cost of replacing unflued gas heaters against the adverse health effects. It concluded there could be up to 6,500 episodes of wheezing, which could be avoided if they were replaced. But it then says that's not necessary. The Asthma Foundation says the report is risking the lives of thousands of children.
They would say, why don't you come round and see my child at night when they wake up and they're wheezing and they're gasping and they can't get breath. Wheeze is a serious problem for people with asthma.
The report also suggests when the unflued gas heaters do need replacing, they are replaced with another unflued heater.
This is an outrage. Every other state below the Tropic of Cancer in Australia has got rid of unflued gas heaters in classrooms. New South Wales is using dodgy data and a dodgy report to justify keeping them.
It would cost the government more than $300 million to replace heaters in the state schools. The government was handed this report in October, but now, more than a month after they've received it, the Education Minister says they're still considering the report's recommendations. But last year, it said the heaters would go.
Both sides of politics are committed to the removal of these unflued gas heaters.
The Education Minister, Adrian Piccoli, wasn't at Parliament to release the report. In the past, he has been critical of the former government for not getting rid of the heaters. Bridget Glanville, ABC News.